This video shows how to change this annoying sound. The alarm has the same tone, and you can check it by pressing the panic button on the back of the key fob. I'm now inside the car to trigger the actual alarm. As you can hear, also for the actual alarm, the sound is always the same. In fact, all sounds came from this horn. If you unplug it, the confirmation beep, the panic, and the alarm functions will all go silent, which is probably not what you want. We are looking at the type of connector needed for a replacement unit. I'm using these type of connectors that have the same type of blade. This is the new buzzer where I attached the two blade connectors. I had to cut the sides open to fit the connectors in the car's plug. This unit should produce 90 decibels of sound pressure. This is how the buzzer is connected, just laying around for now so that we can run a quick test. Let's hear the new confirmation sound. And this is the sound of the actual alarm.